Okay, if you are following the trade setup based on trade setup asking the trade, right? Look at this trade setup closely. Morning price came down. So first we need to focus on short side trade. Price has to cross and it is cross above and it is recrossing. Here we need to look at the candle. We have not got here. Price crossing here, recrossing back. So below this only we need to focus on short side trade. But here what is happening? Next candle is again shooting up. So short side is now very important how this candle will close. Very important how that candle will close. This candle is not closing clearly as a bullish candle, then that is a still no long trade. I don't know your name. You have named it as your name as P for user. This is your answer. Okay, why I'm telling this? As per the trade setup, price came down. Here, what we need a pullback above VWAP and reversal at this location. We need to get a candle type which I have shown in the trading setup video, which has not came here because now price has came and started below this pivot, so not valid. Here, what is happening? Price trying to move up and reversing back down. Here we are getting a bearish candle, but price has not came below it. Still, the trade has not got entered, and immediately price is again trying to move up and again trying to move down. Here below this candle, I will be planning my short side trade. As per the trade setup which has been shared, I am not really speaking anything new here. You need to understand it. I am not speaking anything new here. I am choosing an option strike price of 35,300 put option. Thirty-five 300 put option as per the trade setup. As of now, there is no bullish candle formation. So as per the trade setup from morning, it's a short which is getting coming here. So below this candle, I am planning my short side trade in Bank Nifty only below that candle. So on an option, if you see 35 300 put option, or even go for 35 400 put option, if you feel the option price are high. 35 sorry, this one 35 200 put option. Even 35 200 put option, as per the free trade setup, the entry is above 535. 35 200 put option I'm speaking. Okay. What is the future level? Below 34 900.
Ini malanya terlalu berisai. Kamu sedih boleh mencuma sih. Nah, ada poka.
Make sure to stay muted. Any questions you can post in the chat box. Yes, below on future level is 34 900. I am as per the free trade setup. I am planning my short side trade and 35 200 put option above 535. I am, if you're an option trader, 35 200 put option above 535. This is again as per the free trade setup I am telling you. Okay. What is the stop loss for this? Is 490. Okay. For future 34 975. Very clear. The short side trade as per the free trade setup on future level 34,900, below which I will short the SL of 34,975. I'm giving a slight wider SL because the markets are too slow. Okay, on the put option, same 35,200 put option, I'm taking my trade at above 535 is my entry point. The SL for this is a 490. Okay, and again I'm repeating, the trade get executed. Trade only with limited quantities. Don't risk more than 1 to 2% of your trading capital. Okay, and it is your personal decision of taking trades. You need to understand it, respect the market, and take trades. Even this trade setup in this week, 2 times the trade setup came, and both the times the targets got triggered. Let's see how the today's trading session goes on. Let the level come as per the free trade setup for the entry. Don't chase the price and take trade. Okay, don't chase the price. Again, I'm repeating. This is the free trade setup already. More than 1,800 traders have already watched it. This is the free trade setup. Based on this trade setup, in this week already 2 trades got our target triggered. Let's see if the trade execute today, how it goes on. Okay, anyone can watch this. It's not like restricted to few traders. It's not like anything like that. I will share the link even in the chat box. You can watch it after completing the live session. You have a full weekend to make use of all the free videos which I have posted in my YouTube channel. Let's see as of now how it gets panned out, how the day gets panned out. So this is pivot point, right? This is pivot point. It's just overlapping, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, around the pivot points. Bank Nifty's candle range, every single candle, look at the candle range. Just 50 points, 40 points. This candle's range is 50. This is 40, 45. Again, this is 40, 45. This 40 points range. This is even smaller, 25 points range. Okay, Manish is asking pivot point standard and pivot point traditional are same or different? Sir, it is different, sir. Standard depend on in which broker you are looking the charts. That is more dependent. Okay, you can choose standard settings. Human sir is asking what time frame is best for different type of trade. Sir, first of all, you tell me what time frame do you want? What is your type of trading? Whether you are an intraday trader, positional, swing trader, scalper. What type of trader are you? Okay, if you're an intraday trader, means the time frame is 5 minutes and 30 minutes, which I personally follow. 5 minutes, 30 minutes, and before market, I check daily time frame. During live market, 5 and 30. For sure, market will test the patience. It's not like you are entering a trade means straight away it has to shoot. Market will test the patience. That's the reason I'm telling you, stay relaxed, stay calm on the session. So far, no special option development. Only look at volumes here. Only look at volume, which is dropping. Because the traders who doesn't have patience to wait for a trade, this session is again telling you straight forward, this session is not for you. Because if you don't have patience means then a trader can't even make money in the market, honestly speaking. You need to develop, especially if you're an option buyer, no patience, biggest problems. Look at this, even to break this AI, which is just 10 to 10, 12 points. Forget about the AI, this is fake. It's not the real AI. To break this 10 or 15 points, how much time is taking? Still the trade on the short side is active, sir, below this. On future 34.9, below 34.9 as per the free trade setup. And when it comes to option 34, 200 put option is entry about 535. Okay. Look this on yesterday's 5 minute. Where price is trading now. That is very important. Where price is trading now. This is the same point from which the yesterday's late seller took full control of the market and pushed the price almost near day's low. Remembering day low was not broken, almost day low. Yes, sir. Yes, Roshan sir. Price Bank Nifty is trading in just 50 points range. Yeah, very tight. Very tight range. From morning, it is just simply doing a sideways option only. No special option development. Let's see how the market reacts. Let's see. So Rosenthal is selling, price is struggling at higher level. It might fall. Let's see. The level for the short side trade and put option has been already shared. Let's see. Roshan sir is asking, do our market depends on Europe market? For sure, no sir. On it can be on any day, but not every day. What is the price trading on future 34, 9, 44, 42 levels? Below 34, 900 as per the free trade setup. Is I will take my short side trade in bank. Okay, till then, just relax. Simple. So now, is there any voice disturbance? Ganga sir has small voice disturbance. Is now any voice disturbance, sir? Yes, no. I believe my voice is audible to everyone. Just type yes if my voice is audible to everyone. Okay, thank you. Manish sir is telling in Zerodha platform the pivot point is showing only traditional. Sir, this is the same Zerodha platform. Go to studies, look at pivot, it is showing standard here. Where is traditional? Manish sir, just look on this is the same Zerodha platform which I am showing you. Look at standard. I will re-add for you for your understanding. This pivot I am removing it. I'm just adding the pivot point. Don't add central pivot range or use pivot points. Simple pivot points. Look at this pivot point standard. Simple. Zerodha doesn't have traditional and also. Arup sir is asking, sir, joined late. Please explain the trade idea once. Sir, trade is as per the trade setup. As per the free trade setup, still entry has not came. As per this trade setup, which has been already shared for free. If you want the link, I will do one thing. I will reshare the link in the chat box. You can check the chat box. This is clear struggle in the options, sir. Very clear struggle. Now what happens is the retail will start placing stop loss above this. Look at this overlapping 10, 15, 20, sorry 10, 20, 30, 40 minutes, almost 35 to 40 minutes. Price is not ready to either move up or move down, fully overlap. Look at the volumes, the drop in volume. Nothing is there here. Roshan sir is asking if Bank Nifty crossing, forming bullish setup if it cross 35,000 in future. So nothing like that. Who told you? I don't understand it. I'm not seeing any price crossing 35,000 means bullish. And one thing which I forgot to tell you is stop following call providers. Which is one single statement which I repeat on every session, every three session. Stop following call providers. Okay. Because if you are following call providers, you can make money today, tomorrow, next week. What about 3 months after, 6 months after? You will lose money. 99% of a trader who's following call provider for, let's say, next 6 months, he or she 99% of time will lose money. The red line which you could see is a VWAP, sir. That is VWAP. कोई moving average नहीं है. It's a VWAP, simple VWAP. What's the future trading now? 34.9, 36.30. Let's see, let's see. We have to wait. Trade setup is came in, but the entry point is very important. The entry has not tagged. Let's see. Yes, 34 is the option. 35 you want to put option trading at 524. Future is trading at 34,915, but below 34,900. So taking trades, again I'm repeating, trade with limited quantities. Don't risk more than 1 to 2% of your trading capital. I am placing a stop loss buy order so that my order can get executed fastly. Okay. Even I can choose 35 300 put option also, but that is a issue in slippage. So only I have chosen 35 200 put option. Let's see how it goes. Price came till 34 on future 34,908 only. And on option it 5 only. Still it is not active. Wait. Look at this. The levels are very important. On future, if price started trading below 34,960, then that is not a good sign for the buyers. I repeat the level once again. On future, if price started trading below 34,960, that is not a good sign for the buyers. Meanwhile, if I have missed to address any of your queries, you can repost that question, sir. Okay. I will try to address your queries. Please make sure to repost your questions once again. Still price is trading above 34,960. Buyers will try to come and defend. Okay. If price started auctioning below 34,960, then it is a difficult task for the buyers to further push the price up. When I'm telling the same thing, sir, we have to wait for a trade. It's not like you are joining a free session means I should jump and give a trade. Okay, as I told in the starting of the session, you don't have patience to wait for a trade or to learn something on a free session, then this session is not for you. I'm even straight away frankly speaking. If I'm getting confidence, if I'm getting a decent approach on volume, then only I can even take my trades and share the trades to you. Okay, I'm not the same as a call provider who just post rocket for every 10 point move option. Okay, you need to understand it. What is happening in the market? There is no such volume getting developed. And I don't understand why traders want to chase price and take trade. I even don't understand it. If you want to trade every move in the market, moving down, sell, moving up, buy, moving down, sell, moving up, buy means you would have already got trapped here. Moving down, sell, stop loss trigger. Moving up, buy, stop loss trigger. Again, moving down, sell, stop loss trigger. Price went up and should be your stop losses. You have to understand it. Very, very simplest concept. Even I know once I tell that this statement, if you don't have patience, this session is not for you. Few traders will leave the session. I'm more happy if they are leaving the session. They are just here to waste time. Who are passionate to understand the market, they are already connected with me in the session. I'm more happy to speak to them only. People sir is telling market only detailing the premium. Yes, sir. Only premiums are eroding. Nothing else is happening in the market. happening market. By the slowly, steadily trying to come down again. Kushal sir is telling evening star candle banana sir. Sir, sorry for it. I don't look at this candle type at all. To be honestly speaking, don't look at candle type at all. What's happening again? Prices trying to reverse from the pivot point. Now the level which I told 34,960 price has crossed, but it has to spend time below it. It has to spend some option below it. Let's see what happens. Look at especially on this current week, if I open a 30-minute, I will show you what happened in this week. So much overlap. Look at this. One candle 30-minute down move and then fully overlap. This trading session was fully overlap. Here, fully overlap, later on a small down move. Again, previous Thursday, expiry went with full overlap. Now what is happening? Full overlap. This is option buyer's enemy. Sir. This will melt the option premium. This is called as theta decay. Here, editing will be slight here bad. Theta decay. How many traders take an option buy side trade and have lost money because of premium erosion or because of overlapping? How many option buyers stop loss got triggered on this trading week? Just type yes if it has happened to you. Be honest. Very, very simple. I'm telling you. Be honest. Yes. Now look at this. Now a few traders are messaging. I'm getting an answer. Yes. Myself. Yes. Okay. In the chat box, there is two options to message. Either you can message me directly, or there is an option called message to organizer and message to everyone. You can choose your option and you can message. Okay. I'm getting answer. Yes. 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 Still price is not crossing clearly above 34, 960, 65 levels. It is trading below. It needs to spend more time spending below 34, 960, more pressure for the buyers. Price went one candle up. Have you seen me panicking and taking a buy side trade? I was just relaxed. What happened? Price back to the same zone. Next 15, 20 minutes. This trade is still valid, sir. The trade on the short side, which I have already told, it is still valid. Let's see. Are we getting an entry? It is closely looking at whether any premiums are getting eroded. I could see on the option, the premiums are getting eroded. Let's see, let's see. The entry point is 34,900 below the entry point. We are 34,886 as VWAP. That's to fastly cross because VWAP is very dangerous. That we have to closely monitor if the trade gets executed. Very clear? It's very, very important. I was trying to take a support in the pivot. Let's see, let's see. One more time, again, I'm doing the same. If you are taking trade as per the short side level which I have shared, trade with only limited quantities. Okay. Okay. As for the trade setup, why I'm only looking on short side is first price came down. Okay, what is the trade setup? Look for more focused on a short side trade, price reversing back up, and it has recrossed. Recross, I need to get a bearish candle or the candle line which I have shown in the video. We have not got it. Now again, when crossed, we have got this candle. Still, price has not came below this candle. That is the only reason I am still looking on towards as per this trade setup. We are very bearish based trade. Okay. The price is intact at the pivot point. It is not decisively crossing down. This is we need to closely look at this point what sellers are doing. Very important. So far they are struggling. The sellers are slightly struggling. This is market will test your patience for sure. 100% it will test a trader's patience. Especially on basis of option buyers because most traders connected in this session are option buyers. So I am broadly speaking on a option buyers perspective. Yes, for Shivaraj sir is selling testing our patience. Sir, the market will test our patience. Sir. With the India VIX is almost below 13. This is VIX has dropped 3% more. It is 1.36 only today. This will test patience, sir. Whenever VIX is dropping means it is not in the option price will drop even prior the future is moving up or moving down. The option price decay will be more faster. Okay, now VIX is down by 3 to 4%. So more problem for option money. Main aim of doing live session is to make sure to understand you when market is testing our patient, you have to wait for it. No chasing price, jumping and taking trade, or doing random trade or following some blind paid call providers and losing your money. Understand the basic logic behind before entering any trade in the market. What's the price? 34,913. Let's see. Option premiums are eroding slightly because of drop in weeks. Option premiums are eroding. Let's see. this current candle, the way it is forming is very important. The way it is getting developed will be very, very important to be checked. Also, parallel, we have 35 300 call options in the watch list also. Okay. Still the downside trade is valid. Let's see if we are getting an entry. Price 34,917. Option premiums are eroding very clear. Okay, whichever comes first, sir, because 34,900 breaks or 35,200 put option breaks 535. Whichever comes first will enter. Okay, if 34,900 on future breaks, whatever is the put option, immediately I will enter my trade on the 35,200 put option. And the option premiums are eroding. We don't know at where if price comes below 34,900, what will be the premium. Okay, because currently there is a slight lag in the premium. So let's go with the future level 34,900 below 34,900. Option strike price which I am choosing is 35,200 and 35,300. As per your comfort level, you can choose this any of one strike prices. Okay, why are you not putting price of spot rather than future? Sir, future will have volume, sir. Spot will not show you volume. Yes, clearly patience is being tested. The price 34,914. Option 35,200 option is just trading at 510 only. Once that future 34,900 crosses, I am entering this trade. Same comes on the option. Okay. Yes, I'm into the trades. Look at this. Now very important, how this VWAP is getting crossed clearly. It is trying to cross, it has to further cross. That is how it will be decided on a stronger down. This is the trade which I'm taking as per the free trade setup only. Okay. Stop losses on future 34980. Let's see, first the VWAP has to be crossed clear. VWAP has to be crossed very clear. Stop loss is 34980. Same if you have taken, I have even taken option trade. If you have taken the option trade, if future level comes to this point, you can come out of the trade. Till then, you will wait and see how it is getting reacted. So this price is just roaming around. It has to wait for an aggressive down. Let's see how this trade pans out. So far, in this week, we are getting this trade third time after the setup. Let's see how it goes. I believe you have taken this trade, you have taken with limited quantities only. Okay. You are following me, follow it fully. It's not like following something and not wasting your doing yourself whatever you want. If you are following, follow it fully. Let's see how the trade pans out. Only traders who have taken trades have traded with only limited quantity, because this is not first time this trade setup is coming in this week. This is the third time it is coming in the week. So only I am telling you, you have taken it, trade with limited quantities only. If you have not taken it, no problem. Even if you have any questions, you can post your questions in the chat box. Parallelly, I will try to address the questions one by one, if anything is there. The fast the VWAP breaks on the downside, the fast will be the downward. Let's see. See, we have to wait and see how this trade gets panned out. next candle. Follow through, how the follow through is getting developed now very important. Follow through will tell us how strong the sellers are. Because this entry point was 34,900, right? This candle high is 34,944. So as per the trade setup, 45 into 1.5 is the risk reward which we have to keep. I'm speaking as per the trade setup, which is coming around 45, 60, 70 points which we are getting, right? If I'm precisely speaking, as per the trade setup only, I'm not speaking anything new here. 45 into 1.5 years, 67 to 70 points. What is the low so far which has been made? 34,846. Let's see. 67 points, even if we calculate, it has to come below 34,830 below levels for any booking profit. If you don't have patience to wait, because now 40-50 points price is in our favor on future. If you don't have patience to wait now, then either you can trial your stop loss at the entry cost so that your loss, you might not lose anything. This is only for the traders. I'm telling you, don't have patience to wait, because this is a free session. So I don't want anyone to lose money. Maximum I try to avoid it. Okay. No, if you have patience to wait means then you can wait. Fine and clear? If you don't have patience, you can trial your stop loss at the cost and wait. If you have patience to wait, then you can wait. Simple. There's a small hurdle at 34,845 levels on Bank Nifty. If it crosses, then the fall will be faster. 34,845 is a small hurdle. If it crosses, the fall will be faster. The same kind of level which I told, 34,960. If this price is trading below it, then the fall will come. Which is trying to come here. Small hurdle here is 34,845. If this hurdle breaks, then the fast move on the downside is very easily possible. Let's see. I don't know how many have taken this trade. How many have taken this trade and how many have in this trade? Yes, no. Okay, you have taken it and you are not. Okay, Sunil sir has already booked the 45 points profit. It's not. Sunil sir has already booked his 45 points profit. no problem. You are taken it and we are just monitoring it. No problem. It's up to your decision, sir. I'm not forcing anyone. It's fully up to your decision because it's your capital, your decision. Simple. Only thing which I wanted to tell you is if you want to play safe, because the price is in our favor, if you want to play safe, then you can trial your stop loss at your entry cost and wait. If you have the patience to wait, just no problem, you can wait for it. I think this all exhaustion is this buyers are trying to come up. That is why 34,845 level has to break or any further down. Yes, from this point we have nothing to lose. So just relax. Let's see what is happening. Already what happened before entering the market was testing patience. Now once in the trade, market is testing patience again. Speed in this 34,845 breaking will decide the further down. Let's see. Yes, you can start booking profits. The targets are done. 1:1.5 risk reward targets are done. Start booking your profits. As per the trade setup, 1:1.5 risk reward is done. You can start booking your profit. If you have a patience to wait, hardly speaking, 34,850 you can trial your stop loss. Okay. From our entry, almost 90-100 points in our favor. 1:1.5 risk reward is done. Okay. I'm not much speaking more on towards this trade. As per the risk appetite, you can start booking your profit. This week we got, as per this trade setup, 3 trades. All 3 got our targets triggered.